So I got that going. I'm convinced that that's amazing. This Rockwell 6C with the 3 plates that are adjustable to 6, I'm convinced it's the best safety razor you can probably buy. At least what I've tried, and I think that's why this is highly reviewed, is because it's such a great shaver even on a mild plate, let alone the 6 plate with like a Nasset blade. Did a video on that. That was the best shave I had in my entire life. So this razor is badass. Today I'm using the Rockwell safety razor or safety blade in it. So just to try out their product completely. And I'm also using the Taylor of Old Bond Street. Already got a little bit whipped up here. Just did a video where I shaved my head. So I got that going. Yeah, I mean, what a great lather that is. All right, let me throw some water on my face. Okay. Whoa. And I gotta say, this Taylor of Old Bond Street, I mean, I just shaved my head and I still have a ton of this left. And I mean, look at that. That's amazing. Yeah, I mean, it feels a little thin, but I think if I sit here and lather it a little bit, that's pretty good for me. Going in with the first pass, which, you know, I'm floored on how well this thing shaves. So I'm going to try out their safety razor to see, let's see what they got. And I got the number 5 plate in here. I didn't want to go all the way aggressive. That was a decent pass. Okay. Okay. All right. With the green. All right, let me give this a rinse. First pass with it, it did okay. We're gonna go with the grain this time. Looks like it's leaving a little bit there. Maybe I should have gone with the number 6 plate. I'm gonna keep it on the 5. Don't really, I'm gonna do something different down here, so don't really, yeah, I need to spend a ton of time there. Okay, cross grain. Okay. Okay, second pass. Yeah, it's getting closer. I mean, still some down there. Let's go in for the final pass against the green. So, final pass against the grain. Yeah. Barely anything there. A little bit. Yeah, that's nice. You can't mess with this razor. I'm going to have a conclusion here in a minute, but you can't. I got a really good tip from you guys is really concentrating on that angle, or call what you know, riding the bar. That's working out great for me. Thanks for that tip. It's working out really good. I think I might have a couple weepers down here. Get that angle right. Ride that guard. Stuttered a little bit there. It's a hard pot, or a hard spot for me. Yeah, that's good. All right, let me clean up here. Okay, BBS up here. A little bit down here. I'm gonna hit that. I'm gonna get a close shave. I would say it's not as good as the Gillette Nasset blade, but I didn't try this on this. This is just a great shaver. I mean, and it's a good looking razor. Look at it in that gunmetal finish. I mean, that thing's gorgeous. And it, you know, the Merkur 34C, it sits out in your shaved in nicely, you know? And side by side comparison, you know, this thing's lighter, this is heavier, this is longer, liking that too. And I can say on my Merkur 34C, I don't know if the camera's gonna pick it up, but that top corner right there, I'm losing some of the finish on it. I mean, made in Germany, $40 is what I paid for it. And the finish is already coming off, I've had it for 5 months. You know, feels good up here. Yeah, a little stinging down here. Ooh, yeah, a lot of stinging down here. But again, I mean, that shave is so close. And I mean so close on my neck. The Merkur 34C does not get it that close. And I know from my past videos, you can see a little bit of hair sticking out, but in, 20 minutes, when my face goes back down to room temperature, all that hair goes back in, and it's just baby butt smooth. I mean, it's like my head, you know what I mean? Where I have no hair. It's just a great shave. So, yeah, my conclusion on this, I don't think you can go wrong. If you're shopping for a razor, I would highly recommend this one. It's becoming my new favorite razor. The Merkur 34C, I don't think I would have bought it had I bought this first. This thing is a gorgeous razor. Gorgeous. The Rockwell blade in it, it's okay. Like, I wouldn't rush out to buy them. I mean, there's so many other good choices out there. I mean, I have my favorite razor in my Merkur 34C is a Gillette Silver Blue. And that's, in that razor. And this razor so far, it's been the Gillette Nasset has been my favorite razor in here. Or I should say, my favorite blade in here. And, yeah. Squeaky clean again. Still a little bit right there, huh? Man, see, it's just not as close. Okay, that was a great shave. Let me put some Nivea on it. This stuff is really good. All right, I mean, smooth as anything. I mean, what else do you need? Thank you so much, and have a great week.